Let's go. Well, hello there, hybrid shooters. You know, on this channel, we do a lot of camera-related reviews, right? Producing countless photo and video tutorials on top of that. And to get these amazing and unique samples, you know we do a lot of traveling. Lots of traveling. But what you don't know is the pain and suffering that goes on during those travels. Well, that is about to change. Because coming soon, Vivienne and I are gonna bring you the full BTS. Yes, behind the scenes of what it's really like to capture beautiful travel imagery for our reviews and tutorials. Told in a series of highly overproduced vlogs that will make you question, why are you not on Primeflix? Because we love you, that's why. So join us as we battle against the crowds, the clouds, and the cows in our brand new photography mini-series, Travel Gone Vong.
Travel Gone Vong.
So subscribe and hit the bell. Your first episode drops soon.
Jason's breaking down. Oh no.
Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.